Understanding, score a run, in baseball and English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, score a run. This phrase isn't just about language. It's also about culture, particularly the sport of baseball. So, let's get started and learn how this phrase is used both on the field and in everyday English conversations. In baseball, scoring a run means a player successfully reaches home plate after circling the bases. This action contributes a point to the team's total score. But how does this relate to English language usage? Well, it's often used metaphorically to describe achieving a goal or making progress in various situations. When we take this phrase off the baseball diamond, it's used in many different contexts. For instance, if someone says, "I scored a run at work today," it could mean they achieved something significant or completed an important task. It's a way to express success or accomplishment in a casual, yet vivid manner. Understanding phrases like score a run is crucial for English learners because they offer insight into the culture. Baseball is a significant part of American history and culture. So, by understanding this phrase, you not only learn the language but also a bit about American culture and its love for this sport. Now, how can you use score a run in your daily conversations? It's best used in informal settings. You could say, "I really scored a run with that presentation," or "She scored a run in the meeting by proposing a great idea." Remember, it's all about celebrating small victories and achievements. That's all for today's lesson on score a run. I hope you found this exploration both informative and enjoyable. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and context behind the phrases. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be scoring runs in your English conversations too. See you in our next video.